How to connect G435 headset to Xbox. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will exactly show you on how to do this. Now, as you may know, this headset right here is a Bluetooth headset where you can just go ahead and basically plug in the Bluetooth dongle, and from there the device will automatically be connected to the device that you have inserted the dongle of. Now, unfortunately, the Xbox doesn't have support for this type of headsets right here. Xbox only accept hardwares that are Microsoft approved, and the Logitech G435 headset does not have the Microsoft approval, making it not being able to pair with your Xbox consoles. But you can just go ahead and try to plug it using the wired connection, and from there you can go ahead and maybe have some luck to get it connected. But straight up, unfortunately, the Logitech G435 is not compatible with your Xbox, making it hard to connect with the console right here. If this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.